Turn your footprints into rewards with PAWS. PAWS is a new airdrop and I want to introduce it to you, and I also want to show you how you are going to play it so that you get points. Know that this airdrop is not going to last for quite some time, and it's just new. Within few weeks, within just a week, it has 15 million people participating in it. And just know that this is bigger than Notcoin, Hamster Combat and Dogs. If you played any of those airdrops, you are going to be rewarded more points for that. Yes, as long as you have records on this Telegram. So what you're going to do is to come here on home, and once you see this, you are going to see join our community, check your rewards. So you can click the star for just checking your rewards, and you're going to see what you have earned so far. As you can see, hamster drop, the note. So I've participated in all these, okay, and I've received the rewards. Good for me. And the next thing you're going to click is the leaderboard, and once you click it, you're going to be seeing people who have participated and what they so far have. Okay, so when you click the friends, you are going to see invite friends and share your invitation link and get 10% of friends points. There is nothing else. Invite to get more rewards. So you are going to get rewards on your friends invite, and you'll get your own rewards too. So when you click, and this is where you're going to get a little bit of more points. Okay, so when you click, and this is where you're going to get a little bit of more points. As you can see, tasks get rewards for completing questions. As you guys know, this is going to be listing on Notcoin. So you need to connect your Notcoin wallet, and if you don't know that, I'm going to be showing you how to link it. So all you have to do is to connect your wallet and earn 3,000 PAWS. How good is that? You are going to also connect, you are going to also tweet about PAWS, okay, and invite friends. So through inviting friends, that's when you're going to get a little bit of more points. So make sure you paste the link everywhere so that you get those PAWS. Another thing you need to know is that this does not need tapping. You don't need to waste your time tapping. No, anytime you shake in on the PAWS, you get to receive rewards. Okay, just wait for this airdrop. Is going to be massive, and if you really want to join, kindly click the link in the description and join now. Thank you so much for watching.